I want to bring you over here to give you kind of a close-up of what I'm doing. I'll see what I got going on here now. These piston rings were stuck down in here, and this slot here that the piston rings go in is full of gunk and crap, and looks almost like a mixture of sawdust and shellac, which gasoline, when it dries out, basically turns into shellac. So by putting this ring in here and pushing it around, you see that stuff coming out, cleaning that groove out. Now you can reuse a set of pistons. You don't want to reuse them with these grooves crammed full of crap. If you don't do anything else, my dad used to have me sit around and do this. I didn't much like it when I was a kid, but if he was rebuilding an engine, I'd be given the job to sit around and run this broken ring through that. Now you see all that stuff that came out of that right there? That's what's in that ring groove, and that's what you want to make sure you get out. If you don't clean up anything else on this piston, this stuff up here, we ain't that much worried about carbon buildup on top of the piston. This right here, that can cause you a problem if you put brand new rings on top of that, because they're not going to fit. See, I can see some right here. By the way, I don't think these rings are the same size. I think one might be thicker than the other, but you just want to run around and get out everything down in these piston grooves. I probably can't see that because you're probably flopping around too much, but I thought I would try to bring you over and let you see what I was up to anyway. Hope that was helpful. Maybe I ought to find something better that I could hook you to if I'm going to try to have y'all over here nearby so you can see what I'm doing a little bit more. I'll do that. Now this one, no, I started to say this one doesn't have a broken ring, but it does. It's just that the ring hasn't popped out yet. So let's go ahead and pop it out. That's that top ring. The top ring, the compression ring, is one that always breaks. Shouldn't say always, but mostly.